what's up, builders? Thanks for checking out on the channel. RCX Builds It. Still working on the 1960 Ford F100 frame swap project. Been working on this thing for about 4 years now, and I just got fed up with not being able to drive it on the road. So the punch list, the title of this video, I've started working on making a list of all the things that is keeping me from driving the truck on the road. One of which would be like the headlights and taillights. Start working on the wiring of it. But here I'm putting in some bracing. It was one of the last pieces of welding and metal fabrication I needed to do. It's not 100%, but it gets me a little bit closer to having a solid truck that I can drive on the road. There's some bracing put in the truck there. Saw a quote online that really got me inspired and motivated to get some more work done on the truck. I'm not sure who said it, but it was, "Don't get it right, get it running." And I took that as an inspiration. So the line was pretty cool. But after the bracing was put on, I took it down for another test drive. Driving around the neighborhood. Haven't really got on the streets or the roads yet. Need some driving a little bit on the truck there. Still turning real slow. Yeah, I'm not big on making lists. Making a list like that, seeing all the little pieces add up together, it's pretty overwhelming. There's the cowl to hood, trying to fill up all those gaps. Test drive. Looks like a truck, got the hood on there. I do a couple walk arounds to show what the state of the truck's in. Got a lot of wiring on the floor. No instrument cluster put in yet. The seats aren't yet bolted down. The list goes on. I'm mainly focused on just making sure the truck is a reliable ride. Still need to drive it to go to the gas station. Hood's on. The front cowl, little gap area is filled in. I'm just showing how, the condition of the body. It's all the rust and Bondo. Oh, broken windshield. Yeah, both side and passenger and driver side doors need new glass. Gas cap, where the old gas tank used to be in the cab. I still need to fill that hole in. You can see the condition of the bed there too. The bed rails. Tons of holes in them, lots of rust. Zooming in like that really shows the condition of the bed. It's pretty rough, but it's 60 years old. Tailgate, lots of rust in the tail. The rear of the bed, no rear bumper on it yet. Tail lights are busted. I think the fender flares don't look too bad. But yeah, all kinds of different color paint. Everything's mismatched. Got some house paint, spray paint. There's the old antenna hole. Oh, there's the drip rail. You can see that it's just filled with like Bondo from one of the previous owners. In an attempt to keep it from leaking, which it still does. Just doing a quick walk around. If you squint, it's mint. Looks like a decent truck from, a couple feet away. Lots of work, lots of body work. So I'm not even close to painting. I mean, I've got 2 pages of items that need to be done. Not big jobs, they're all small, they just build up, and I find that to be overwhelming just thinking about what's left to do on it. So I stopped with the idea of making paint, putting a layer of paint on the truck. Even borrowed my dad's paint gun, and I upgraded the air compressor so I have higher capacity air. Now you could see that list that I'd started putting in chalk on the refrigerator there. Lots of little things. Started working on the headlights here, and I hate wiring. I think I'll make a little caption or a little comment later on in the video. But I think I got 3 of them working, and then one of the lugs was already broken off, or the little post on the light. Got some turn signals going. Here it is, yeah. Oh, the turn signal. It was flashing the headlight, not the turn signal. I don't know how I wired that up wrong, but I found a way. Yeah, moving on to brake lights. Yeah, so I had to jack the whole truck up to run the wires in. All new wires going to the old tail lights. That was funny. The passenger side was giving me all kinds of trouble. It was like the socket or something, the bulb wasn't making good contact in it. Because every time I would put the little tail light lens on, put the red light on there, yeah, you could just give it a little poke. It would finally kick on. We got it eventually. All right, the first thing I'm going to test is the turn signal. It'll go flash, 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 flash.
Okay. The turn's gonna work.
Were they flashing?
Both of them!
All right, how about this one? Look at it. No, look at the lights.
They both stayed on.
They both came on? All right, here we go. How about this one?
Okay. They both did it.
And now?
Yeah.
And now?
Yeah. Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Yes!
It works all of the time. Now it's all.
Thank you for your help.
Yes.
High five.